Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to attach the Polaris 54-inch plow. So, as you can see, I pulled the quad up right to it. There's little hook things right there that these attach to. And there's also brackets back there. Sorry about the lighting, it's dark in the garage. So I pulled up. You can pull up all the way if you want, but it's kind of hard with one person. So I pull up, just eyeballing it, getting it kind of close, and then I push the plow back. I like to keep my plow on these little wood blocks. It slides easier, and then that way when your snow melts it won't be sitting in a puddle of water. So once you get it back pretty close to the hooks, you can put your foot like that and then pull up with your hand, and I went back too far, so I just pull it out a little bit. Okay, so now it's connected in the front. If you can see, I don't think you can, sorry about that. But it's not connected in the back. So now what you'll do is just let out your winch a little bit. Connect it onto that hook and pull up, and you'll see the plow move backwards and hear a click. Alright, so that's all there is to it. Then to take it off is even easier. So just let it down all the way. Disconnect your winch, pull up in the winch. There's that red handle right there. You'll step on that and it just slides right out. You can pull it out, and there you have it. So that's how easy it is. Putting it on can be easier if you have two people or are just really talented. But, you know, it's much easier than climbing under the quad and putting pins in. You know, it's a great plow. I'd highly recommend it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you later.